Dan Sweet here with Trash Bin Clean It Direct. Yours can be fresh out of Arizona's trailer package. Leaving Grand Rapids, Michigan right now to head down to that Arizona, Santan, Maricopa area. This is our titanium trash bin cleaning trailer with a 3,500 9-gallon hot water machine, 4 nozzle stainless steel cleaning heads. This trailer is a 14,000 pound rated tandem axle trailer, super heavy duty, extremely heavy duty. The gross weight on this is only about 10,000 pounds fully loaded. Struggle with a 14,000 pound rated trailer because nothing we do is underrated. Everything is beyond code. Oversized engine, oversized burner system, oversized cleaning heads, 17-stage wastewater recycling and filtration systems, stainless steel power washer. This also has a winterizing tank and a sanitizing chemical tank, and this can also vacuum up wastewater 100 feet away from the trailer. Dan Sweet, Trash Bin Clean It Direct. Here's the information there, and Pressure Clean It Direct. We'll be launching that site very soon too. Thank you and have a great week.